Hello everyone, welcome to part 60 of Laravel 11 series, in which we're getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will start working on the product filter for our Laravel e-commerce website, and we are going to work on first of all product sorting. And this product sorting can be done in two ways. One is the with refresh of page, that is without Ajax, and one is without the refresh of page via Ajax. Okay, so there are two things that we are going to do. One is the with refresh of page, in which the page will refresh. I'm going to show you, like, this is the listing page. First, I'm going to increase the pagination of this listing page that we have done in the last few videos. Okay, so I'm going to open the product controller at the front and will increase its pagination. I'm going to make it 6. Okay, so I will refresh it, and both the products will come in one page, and you can see. And now see, this is the sort by. So we are going to work on this sort by feature. After that, we will work on this left side filters as well. And first of all, we are going to work on this sort by. So first, this sort by filter we are going to do with the refresh of page. Means if any time if user select, if any of the filter like best selling, this option, like if the user select this option, then this page will refresh. Here something will come here, like we can say like filter equal to best selling or something that is related with this thing, and according to that we will filter the products, but the refresh will be there. Okay, and in next part what we are going to do, we are going to do this thing via Ajax. So in that case, only the products will update and the rest of the page will remain the same. That we are going to do via Ajax. Okay, so we are going to do these two things. So let's start. First of all, we are going to do with refresh of page. We are going to follow these instructions that you can you can see under the video description as well. Okay, so first is the with refresh of page, and we are going to work on these filters like best selling. First, the new items, or we can say the latest items. Okay, latest items, then best selling items, lowest price, highest price, featured items, discounted items. Okay, we can group these like this, like latest items, best selling, featured items, discounted item. Here we can also do it like this: best seller items. Okay, best seller items, featured item, discounted items, lowest price, highest price. Okay, so we are going to work on these filters. So first we are going to modify uh, the drop down. We are going to modify this drop down, that is we can locate in the listing blade file. I'm going to open the listing blade file, and here we are going to modify these with the correct options. Some updates we are going to do. We are going to add the form ID. Okay, as well as the name, and along with that we are going to modify these options as well. So I'm going to just copy this one and will replace this form with this one, in which we have added some conditions as well. Like we are going to select the option that if we have selected some option, like if I have selected this best rating option, and this option will go there, and if the user will refresh once again, then it automatically selects this best rating. Okay, so sorry, this best rating does not exist. I'm going to remove this one. Okay, this one is not included in our like at this time, that we are going to do later on. Okay, but rest of the option will work. So I'm going to align them as well. Okay, so going to do it like this, and now I'm going to refresh it once again, and you can see yeah, some issue has come because $URL is not coming from there. So this URL we need to return as well. So we are going to return this URL as well. I'm going to add this URL. Now you can see these options we can able to see. So let's continue with the further step. So we are required to create the custom.js file, so that we can add the jQuery. Like if we are going to select any option, our jQuery will run, and on the basis of that jQuery we are going to call the function. Okay, so so this jQuery, see, on the basis of that jQuery we are going to submit the form. Okay, so that is the thing that we are going to do, but we are required to create the custom.js file, and that we are required to create inside our project, and public front, inside front, and here you can see the JS. So here we are going to create the new file, new test file, and I'm going to make its name as custom, and then I'm going to make it like custom.js. Okay, I'm going to keep use custom.js. Here I'm going to drag this one in Sublime, and here I'm going to add this script. Here you can see that sort. See, this sort is the select box ID. Here we can see the select box ID. So on the change of this sort, we are going to submit the form. Okay. So after this, we are going to add this custom.js in the layout blade file as well. We are required to include this in our layout.blade.php file, and here after app.css we are going to include this as well. Okay, here we can include this, sorry, not here, this is the custom.js, so that we are going to include here. Okay, so after including the custom.js, now we are going to update the listing function that is located in product controller. So this listing function we are going to modify, and here after after getting the products, okay, here you can see after this we are going to add the query that will sort the products. Okay, so this complete code I am going to copy and will paste here. Here see, we can see the conditions here that we are using here. Here like first we are going to check that whether the sort is coming here or not in the URL. Okay, if the sort variable is coming in the URL, then we are going to check that what is its value. Like if the value is product underscore latest, then we are going to going to sort by the descending order, means we are going to show the products that are added lastly, we will show them earlier. Okay, like the recent products we are going to show earlier than the other products. Okay, so in the same way, we are going to compare with the final price for the lowest and highest price. So if the price, if we are going to sort like this one, like if it is user select the lowest price, then this one is fine. First the lowest price product will come, and then the highest price product will come, and if the user select the highest price, then it will be in the descending order. Then first the highest price products will come, then the lowest price. Okay, so like this, if the user select the best selling product, then we are going to show the best seller products that are selected as the best seller in the enemy panel, because best seller we have not done that thing. Otherwise the best seller means the product which is having the maximum order that we are going to do when we will complete this e-commerce website. Okay, this order placement process of the e-commerce website. So lowest highest that we have already, I have already explained. But in featured items, that the admin marked as the featured item, if the user select the featured item, then only the featured item we are going to show here, and discounted item, then only the discounted item we are going to show here. See, we have the condition for all. Like for the discounted items, the product discount must be greater than 0. For the featured item, it must be is featured must be yes. For the best selling, is underscore best seller must be yes. For the highest price, we are going to sort the final price in descending order. For the lowest price, we are going to sort the final price with ascending order. And for the product latest, we are going to have that created at we are going to sort the products with the date. Okay, date in which the last added date of last added products we are going to show earlier. Okay, so now we will here we can see that we're going to modify the pagination as well in listing.blade.php file. Here we are going to modify this pagination as well. Okay, here we will also add the condition. Here we will clearly add the condition, like if the sort is coming, then we are going to append it with the sort option. Otherwise we will keep it simple. Okay, here we are required to sort it properly, we are required to align it properly. Okay, so after that, once again we are going to update the form, okay, for the last time, to so that it will look perfect, and then we are going to try it. Okay, and because some of the options we have updated once again, like here we can I am going to show you that what we have done. We have see, instead of sort by, we can add here this select as well. Okay, then sort by latest item, we have added best selling item. Okay, it is fine. Then lowest price, highest price featured. So we can also move these two option at the top as well. Okay, so now we are going to check once that how it looks, and it works or not. Okay, so now first I am going to try with the lowest price. Okay, and it is still the lowest price, and you can see here it is refreshing, and here in the URL you can see the sort equal to lowest price is now coming. Okay, so now I'm going to try with the highest price. I'm going to make it like highest price, and here you can see the product having the highest price is coming at the first. Okay, red t-shirt is coming at earlier. I'm going to disable this newsletter. Okay, because it is too much, it is coming a lot. So I will open the model.blade.php file and will comment this later on. We are going to work on it, then we will uncomment whenever we will work on it. Okay, so here you can see that in highest price, the highest price products will come earlier. Okay, mean we are going to show the products in descending order. And now I'm going to select the latest items. So the latest items we are going to show earlier. Okay, so red t-shirt is the latest item that we are going to we are showing earlier. And best selling, so the best selling product, there is only one best selling product, so we are showing this product here. And now the featured items, only the featured items, this red t-shirt is the featured item that we are going to show we are showing here. Okay, now only the discounted item, this item is not the discounted item, so it will not be shown. Only the blue t-shirt will be shown, as the blue t-shirt is on discount. Let's see if we select the discounted item. Yes, only the blue t-shirt we are showing here because it is under discount. Okay, so our filters, our sort by filters are working fine now, but the only thing is that we are refreshing this page. Okay, so in the next part we are going to do this via Ajax without the refresh of the page. Okay, so that is the standard nowadays. Every e-commerce website will do like this. They are not refreshing the page. They will make the user friendly website, and that is really important. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.